Welcome back to Ultimate Luxury Cars. The Tata Altroz is a premium hatchback from Tata Motors that combines sharp design, advanced safety features, and versatile performance. Launched initially in 2020, the Altroz marked Tata's entry into the premium hatchback segment, offering a bold alternative to conventional hatchbacks in the Indian market. Built on Tata's Alpha, Agile light flexible advanced architecture, the Altroz stands out with its strong structure, spacious interior, and innovative features. It quickly gained popularity for being one of the safest cars in its segment, with a 5-star safety rating. The car's design is inspired by modern European styling, with sleek lines, a prominent grille, projector headlamps, and a distinctive floating roof. The front of the Tata Altroz features a modern and aggressive look. Sleek LED projector headlamps with stylish LED daytime running lights are positioned above a sharp black grille, giving the car a bold and dynamic appearance. The redesigned bumper houses air vents and LED fog lamps, enhancing both style and functionality. From the side, the Altroz exhibits a sporty stance with strong character lines and a floating roof design. It features flush-fitting front door handles that add a futuristic touch. The 16-inch dual-tone alloy wheels further amplify its premium feel, while the roof line gently slopes toward the rear, providing a coupe-like silhouette. At the rear, connected LED tail lamps give the car a wide and high-tech appearance. A blacked-out rear strip and a clean bumper design with subtle contours contribute to a sophisticated look. The integrated roof spoiler and rear wiper complete the sporty character. The Altroz is offered in a variety of vibrant shades like royal blue, pure gray, amber glow, dune gold, and pristine white, allowing buyers to choose according to their personal style. Inside, the Altroz greets occupants with a dual-tone dashboard featuring soft-touch materials and ambient lighting accents. The layout is clean and driver-focused, with all controls within easy reach. A new 2-spoke steering wheel with an illuminated logo adds a modern flair. The car comes equipped with twin 10.25-inch displays, one for the digital instrument cluster and another for the infotainment system. The infotainment screen supports wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, along with connected car features. The digital cluster displays navigation, alerts, and even blind spot camera feeds. The Altroz offers a spacious cabin with high-quality upholstery in light tones. Both front and rear seats are well cushioned with good thigh support, and rear passengers benefit from dedicated AC vents, a center armrest, and charging ports. The front center console includes wireless phone charging and illuminated controls for the climate system. Additional features includes single-pane sunroof with voice control, push-button start with smart key access, automatic climate control with touch interface, air purifier, 8-speaker audio system, rain-sensing wipers and auto headlamps, 360 degrees camera and blind view monitor. The petrol and diesel variants offer a boot capacity of around 345 liters, while the CNG variant provides about 210 liters due to the tank placement. The Tata Altroz 2025 is available in multiple variants with different engine and transmission options. The Smart variant is priced at a superscript 16.89 lakh for the petrol manual and a superscript 17.89 lakh for the CNG manual option. The Pure variant starts at a superscript 17.69 lakh for the petrol manual, a superscript 18.29 lakh for the petrol AMT, a superscript 18.79 lakh for the CNG manual, and a superscript 18.99 lakh for the diesel manual. The Pure S variant costs a superscript 18.05 lakh for petrol manual, a superscript 18.65 lakh for petrol AMT, and a superscript 19.15 lakh for CNG manual. The Creative variant is priced at a superscript 18.69 lakh for petrol manual, a superscript 19.29 lakh for petrol AMT, a superscript 19.79 lakh for CNG manual, and a superscript 19.99 lakh for diesel manual. The Creative S variant comes at a superscript 19.05 lakh for petrol manual, a superscript 19.65 lakh for petrol AMT, a superscript 110.30 lakh for petrol DCT, A superscript 19.99 lock for CNG manual, and a superscript 110.35 lock for diesel manual. The accomplished S variant is available at a superscript 19.99 lock for petrol manual, a superscript 111.24 lock for petrol DCT, a superscript 111.09 lock for CNG manual, and a superscript 111.29 lock for diesel manual. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share and press the bell icon button.